Hey guys, Brass Brad. Long time no vid. Been a long summer roofing and carrying on. No time for uploading and too much metal detecting. So since the spring I did them relics on the Rito videos. It's now the week after Thanksgiving, middle of October. Had the itch. Deer hunting's coming up. Wanted to get out before the deer hunters start. But today I'm back in a little spot where I found my first mini ball, right in the crevice of them rocks, even though it wasn't that old. But I never got to search down in this hollow over here. So I did the high areas here, up on a big hill. I'm gonna go down in there. Maybe there's some more mini balls drop down over the hill. Okay, thanks. Oh, it's a good thing for that doe. I'm a relic hunter, not a deer hunter. Got a fawn just ran behind the rocks in front of it there. There they go. Hey there. I think I'm just downhill from where I found that mini ball. Or it could have been over there 8 or 10 or 12 feet. But there's a signal right here, pull tab signal, down the hill slightly from that. Is it another mini ball, I wonder? It's at 4 to 6 inches. Well, 3, 2. Not very deep. I think I'll shut the camera off though, because my pinpointer's in my duffel bag and I'm gonna use it, need it. So we'll dig it up and see what it is. Oh. Oh. Rifle cartridge or an old handgun or something? What does it have on it? H or something for, maybe it was an old Henry casing? I'm not sure if that has an H on it or anything at all. No. Bullet, just wrong end of it. There's another signal here now. It's a little jumpier. Zinc this time. I thought that shell casing last time would ring up zinc, but it was pull tab for some reason. But here's a zinc 10-cent hit, jumping around different tones. But it's only at like 1 inch. So I'm gonna shut this off and dig it, and probably a bottle cap or something with my luck. Oh, it was just some kind of copper tin ring or something. Just scored an old metal bucket, and it had some paint cans and lids inside, and this was buried under it. It's an old motor oil. Anarco? Cool. It was on the bottom, there's a little bit of dirt in it, paint can on top, and it kind of preserved it, I guess. Well, that's pretty neat. I'm going to keep the bucket and the old can here. Hey, is that the white rose? I think it would say white rose. Trying to imitate white rose oils. A couple small wee poke holes in the top. Geez, must have been a while getting the oil to pour out of that. Huh. Maybe they're just lubricating a bearing or something, just pouring a little bit on at a time. Or maybe cutting trees with a saw or something, hand saw, Swede saw. Oil up the bar. Anyways, I'm going to set that aside and grab it on the way out. I just got a piece of smushed lead there. Reading up pull tab soda can. Pretty flat. Must have ricocheted off a rock pile or tree or something. It's heavy, it's lead. Pretty flat, ripped apart. Might have been an old 3-ringer or something, by the way she opened up. See some markings on it. More like impact marks. Yeah. Lead for sure. So I reached down to check it out and found this thing on the surface. So that's pretty neat. Gotta say, there is a cemetery nearby, so this could be something to do with that. Railing or posting railing around something. Around a grave. Might have found my first little musket ball. I think I see a spot on it where it's been kind of clipped or something there. Little lump there on the top. Cut. That's my first. Not real big. Maybe if they had a 49 caliber or something. 45 caliber, 49 caliber. Less than a ½ inch for sure. Well, that's pretty cool. My first mini ball over the knoll in the spring, and this fall I got my first wee musket ball. Well, here's the roundup from my big hunt today. About 4 hours out there. Dug a ton of tin foil and just left it there. I didn't want it. Pull tab, old nail. I thought it was a lag bolt when I first got it there. Filmed one of these rings being dug 2 more. There's some kind of metal part. Could be actually the bearing casing that maybe these went to or something. A few things I didn't get in camera. The smushed bullet I did get it on camera. Little 22 casing, I didn't get that on video. I think there was another one there too, and I just couldn't find it. I give up on it. Same signal, and they're just so small and hard to find. My first musket ball, maybe. I'm gonna get the calipers out and measure that. Looks like about a 45. And I think that is a Henry casing. And it's a rim fire as well. Stroked on the rim. Can you see anything in there, an H or anything for Henry? Maybe something in there. Looks more like the McDonald's emblem right now when I'm looking at it. Found another one of these. Showed just the broken one. Found another one, a little better shape. Some kind of finial or cap decoration to pole and railing around a gravesite probably. Now this was in my bag when I emptied it out. Something I got, I guess, on one of my hunts there in the spring, and it never got pulled out. Not real old, I don't think. Anyways, I had fun. Glad I got that wee musket ball. That's kind of neat. Oh, I just did that wrap up here and forgot to mention the old bucket and the oil can. Oh, another little tin for my collection. Found this little bottle too. Little shooter bottle. Right on, I'll add that into my ending there.